Welcome to our channel, Ask Prep. Let's explore the biggest cities of India in a different way. 10. Jaipur, Rajasthan. Step into the vibrant tapestry of Jaipur, where every corner tells a story of regal splendor and timeless beauty. From the majestic forts that stand as silent sentinels to the bustling bazaars filled with colorful wares, Jaipur is a city that enchants and mesmerizes at every turn. Lose yourself in its rich heritage as you wander through its labyrinthine streets and savor the flavors of its delectable cuisine. 9. Surat, Gujarat. Dive into the vibrant energy of Surat, where the air is filled with the buzz of commerce and the aroma of delicious street food. From the glittering shops that line its bustling streets to the historic landmarks that whisper tales of bygone eras, Surat is a city that captivates and enthralls. Explore its rich cultural heritage and immerse yourself in the warmth and hospitality of its people as you journey through this dynamic metropolis. 8. Pune, Maharashtra. Embark on a journey through the vibrant streets of Pune, where tradition meets modernity in a harmonious blend. From the tranquil beauty of its lush green spaces to the bustling energy of its thriving IT parks, Pune is a city of contrasts and contradictions. Discover its rich cultural heritage and vibrant art scene as you explore its historic landmarks and bustling markets. 7. Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Experience the dynamic spirit of Ahmedabad, where tradition and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. From the majestic splendor of its historic landmarks to the bustling energy of its vibrant neighborhoods, Ahmedabad is a city that pulsates with life and vitality. Dive into its rich textile heritage and savor the flavors of its mouth-watering street food as you immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of this dynamic metropolis. 6. Hyderabad, Telangana. Journey into the heart of Hyderabad, where every street corner is infused with the rich aroma of spices and the vibrant colors of its bustling markets. From the grandeur of its ancient monuments to the warmth and hospitality of its people, Hyderabad is a city that leaves a lasting impression. Discover its rich cultural heritage and savor the flavors of its famous biryani as you explore the sights and sounds of this enchanting city. 5. Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Chennai, where tradition and modernity converge to create a unique tapestry of culture and heritage. From the serene beauty of its historic temples to the bustling energy of its thriving metropolis, Chennai is a city that never fails to captivate and inspire. Discover its rich artistic heritage and savor the flavors of its delectable cuisine as you journey through its bustling streets and vibrant neighborhoods. 4. Kolkata, West Bengal. Explore the vibrant streets of Kolkata, where every corner is filled with the rich tapestry of history and culture. From the majestic beauty of its colonial architecture to the bustling energy of its bustling markets, Kolkata is a city that pulsates with life and vitality. Dive into its rich literary and artistic heritage and savor the flavors of its mouth-watering street food as you immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of this dynamic metropolis. 3. Bangalore, Karnataka. Experience the dynamic energy of Bangalore, where innovation and creativity thrive amidst the bustling streets and vibrant neighborhoods. From the towering skyscrapers of its bustling IT parks to the tranquil beauty of its lush green spaces, Bangalore is a city of contrasts and contradictions. Discover its rich cultural heritage and vibrant art scene as you explore its historic landmarks and bustling markets. 2. Delhi. Discover the vibrant tapestry of Delhi, where every street corner tells a story of history and heritage. From the majestic grandeur of its ancient monuments to the bustling energy of its bustling markets, Delhi is a city that captivates and inspires at every turn. Dive into its rich cultural heritage and savor the flavors of its diverse cuisine as you explore the sights and sounds of this dynamic metropolis. 1. Mumbai, Maharashtra. Lose yourself in the vibrant energy of Mumbai, where every street corner is alive with the pulse of the city. From the glitz and glamour of Bollywood to the tranquil beauty of its picturesque beaches, Mumbai is a city that never sleeps. Discover its rich cultural heritage and vibrant art scene as you explore its historic landmarks and bustling markets. As we conclude our journey through these dynamic metropolises, one thing becomes clear. India's cities are not just places on a map, but living, breathing entities that pulse with energy, creativity, and diversity. From the regal splendor of Jaipur to the bustling streets of Mumbai, each city offers a unique experience and a glimpse into the rich tapestry of India's cultural heritage. So, next time you find yourself in one of these vibrant cities, take a moment to soak in the sights, sounds, and flavors that make them truly special.